There you guys have it. This is the welding machine, guys. We've been welding all day long. We've been welding since, well, see all those sides right here, sides in the back, we only MIG welded like a small 1/8 inch weld on them. I had to go back with 7018 rod. So as you guys can see, it's coming together pretty well. Now all we got to do is mark up 2'6" at the top, all the way around, put that last one on, and then there's going to be one more that's going to be going at the base of the column, so I can have something to screw my metal to, my metal to. So yeah, that's that. And then we got to put the braces. Actually, it's a flat bar. It's going to be running from top all the way down to the bottom, and it's going to cross in the middle, and that's going to be welded to the angle, which is kind of stupid because, I mean, anyways, we ain't gonna talk about that. That's something that the engineer said. I don't have to put nothing across the top if I ain't gonna have to put nothing across the top on top of the roof unless, yeah, that looks way taller, don't it? It looks taller than that tree, but it's not, it's really small. But I don't have to put nothing across the top because I ain't gonna have a swing door. I'm gonna get garage doors, custom made, probably 15-foot doors, and leave a foot so the door roll up. I'm trying to get the most bang, you know, for a bigger opening. I know I won't be able to go 16 foot unless I do a swing door, but I don't need all 16 foot. I can go with 15 foot. So yeah, guys, so that's what we've been doing, man. We've been tightening it up, getting it ready. You know, we're gonna paint next weekend. We're gonna paint the columns and the angle. We're gonna paint all the way around. Yeah, gonna paint around it. We're gonna paint everything. 20 times 20 is 400 square foot building. I'm telling you guys, big things are coming. Once this shop is all the way up, big things are coming for you guys and my fans, my fans, my subscribers, my followers, or, you know, my weld family. For my weld family, big things are coming. Once this shop is up, big things, I'm telling you. What's up, y'all? This is the welding machine. And today, guys, we're doing some more work on the building. Saturday or Sunday, and yeah, it's gonna be an interesting day. Gotta get my hat. I think my hat's in the house. Gotta get my helmet. Gotta get a couple other things, and we'll get to it. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Be right back. What's up, everybody? It's the welding machine, guys. We're back. We cut down a couple trees because we got bored. Clear out some space. I know it probably don't look like much to y'all, but it's a lot of space. So we got the building. So pretty much what we did today, and I didn't do too much, but it's something to put out a video for you guys. So we went through and painted all the angle, finished up a little bit of ugly welds. It's that camera focus. There you go, some ugly welds all the way down. Put some extra coat of paint. We got to go one more angle across the top, so we're gonna wait till I have my helper, aka my other brother, have him help me out with this. But we cleared out a lot more space, so it's gonna be something like this. It's gonna be an extension. We're gonna probably cut a hole over here in the side, frame it in, put a door, or make it where you walk around to the machine shop. Probably put a window to pass material through or something. Who knows? You know, guys, this is what we're gonna do. So we're expanding. Yeah, like, dude, your building ain't even done yet. I know, man, I know. I'm thinking for the future. The building's almost done. Then where that strap is, that black strap right there, that's gonna be like a lean-to. It's gonna go from 16 to 10 foot, so it's a 5-foot drop. Nah, we'll go 16 to 14 or something like that. Max height 14 foot, or we'll go 15